Mum, Dad, making the mundane fun. Hi everyone and welcome back to Mum, Dad. As you can see here, we've got a remote doorbell and it's just not working. So the obvious issue is that the battery inside the remote doorbell has gone. So it's a really easy fix. I'll just show you this really quickly, how to do this. Sometimes I have a screw underneath here, but this one's actually just got a little clip. So I've just pressed the clip in. Should just come straight off. A little bit of teasing. Oh, I've got a little rubber seal on there as well. So if you look in here, we've got the battery, and these are normally quite easy to remove. You just kind of push it out from the bottom there, and you might just need a bit of encouragement with the screwdriver. Push it out from the bottom, and it's usually the CR2032, or there can be other batteries. So I'll just put a new battery in. I'll just pause you for a sec. So I've got the new battery now, so I'm just going to pop the new battery in here. And now I'm just going to put, we've got little rubber seal. I'm just going to put the rubber seal back over here. And just put, so as you can see now, I've just put the rubber seal back over the door so it stops any water from getting in. And let's just pop this back on here, and it just clips in. Right, let's test it and see if it works. Yep, I think it needs to turn up a little bit, but it's working. That's great. Thanks for watching, Mum and Dad. See you again soon.